Well guys, I'm on the Carnival breeze and we're docked in Costa Maya, Mexico. I'm gonna take my camera into port with me and just let you see what it's like to walk through the port of Costa Maya. So let's get off the ship and start exploring.
Intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Take a picture with them. Please come closer and remember. Welcome to Costa Maya. Welcome to paradise.
What is it? Where?
Thinking of.
Well guys, I made it back on the ship from beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico. I hope you enjoyed that tour around the port. Hope it helped you out in case you're getting ready to come here. Hey, watch for more of my Carnival Breeze videos. If you enjoyed this, hey, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I will catch you later.